Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your Samsung model and Android version so you pick the right menus. This avoids wasted steps. Once charged or plugged in, open Settings and tap Display. You need the Display menu to access screen zoom and resolution controls. Make sure you're not in a restricted user profile. Now locate Screen Zoom and Font or Full Screen apps. These first actionable choices let you shrink the usable area reliably without third-party tools. You'll now change 3 link settings so elements actually shrink. Drag Screen Zoom towards smaller to reduce UI element sizes. This directly alters button and text scale. Next, set screen resolution down to FHD+ or lower to decrease pixel density, which makes content appear smaller. Also open full screen apps or app scaling to adjust individual apps that ignore zoom. By combining zoom, resolution, and app scaling, you get a consistent, smaller screen appearance across the system. Finish by applying changes and inspecting Home, Settings, and key apps to confirm reduced size. Sometimes a quick reboot ensures the system redraws layouts correctly. If some apps still appear large, toggle their individual app scaling settings or relaunch them. If layouts break or text becomes unreadable, reset display settings or boot into safe mode to check for launcher or accessibility conflicts. Should problems persist, revert settings and try one change at a time to identify the culprit.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.